Today, we're going to discuss Barter Trade, a unique, exciting system that enables you to trade blockchain and crypto assets with advanced risk management methods. So for all you crypto noobs out there, this platform is essentially going to teach you how to trade, and you don't even have to lift a finger. Okay, well, maybe you have to sign up and log in, but you guys get my point. It's so easy, a caveman can do it. Geico lawsuit incoming. You'll never get my crypto, you greedy cucks. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the hardest working channel in all of cryptocurrency. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and join both my Telegram groups to learn more about crypto or connect with me in the Bit Squad. Also, I'm giving away a whole Bitcoin, 2 Ethereum, and 2 Litecoin at the end of September. Take part in this giveaway. Please visit 1btc.bitboy.live. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you got to be a subscriber to win. All right, guys, let's check out Barter Trade and examine why it might be the next big place to trade. Barter Trade is a company that's existed at least since 2018. However, there's some footprints of this company as far back as 2017. So you don't have to worry about this being an exit scam like most of the projects doing token offerings on Uniswap. The team recently held their private token sale in July, and the price went up to 2 pennies. If the company existing since 2017 doesn't make you comfortable, Barter Trade recently had an audit from the white hat hackers. Hacking. If you like what you hear about this project in this review, by the way, you can always sign up at barter.bitboy.live. Barter Trade aims to provide efficiency through a complete ecosystem for online financial traders. Both newcomers and professionals and institutions can benefit from this one. A recent AMA with the Gem Hunters group on Telegram, who interviews projects, shockingly revealed that a top 50 exchange, IndoX, was seeking Barter Trade's help to wash trade their volume. Barter Trade acknowledged these deep-seated problems within the crypto exchange space, which they intend to solve. Now, here's a direct quote from Barter Trade from that AMA. If you go deep inside the exchange market and try to understand it, you will know the bulk of the market is an empty shell. At least 90% of the platforms are boxes filled with fake volume, no liquidity, and no real products. The market is dominated by clones, replicas of one another. Most of the exchanges don't even have basic order types, such as stop losses, let alone any real product, leaving only a handful of exchanges that are real in terms of the user base, liquidity, and volumes, but still, some of them lack actual products that benefits users. Now, I've never heard of IndoX, but if they have a coin, I probably just pumped it a few X by just mentioning their name. There's great responsibility in being the altcoin whisperer. You must have ethics, and unfortunately, some in the space don't. Especially those people who keep running giveaway scams on all videos. Thanks, YouTube. I may have to see a therapist because of you. August has been a huge month for Barter Trade at this point. They've already had their first community AMA and announced some partnerships. Now, for the rest of August, they will be looking at adding staking, rebranding, a new website, new exchange listings, more team members, and much more. Of course, the biggest thing that already happened in August was the public sale. It was highly anticipated and occurred on Friday. It lasted 1 whole minute, which for some of you is more than you can say. The sale raised 562.5 thousand ETH, a total of $240,000. Out of that, only about 38,000 ETH have been reverted back. The sale generated almost 2,300 transactions, and I've seen many people talking about it in our Telegram group after the sale. Now, it went so well, the team actually wanted me to wait to cover them on a video because they did not want to cause any artificial demand. They want prices to stay within the actual demand, which has been very high. Long and short of it is that they did not want people to get wrecked, and I respect that. What I can tell you as a bag holder of the BART token, I've been pretty happy with the results, seeing 300% returns on what I own so far. Now, speaking of scamming cretins, Barter Trade was recently a target of a Uniswap scam, warning their customers not to buy the coin on Uniswap. So why use Barter Trade, and what are some key features on their platform? It's an all-in-one exchange that offers many options for traders. It's so robust, the only feature that Barter Trade doesn't seem to offer is cleaning those skid marks off of your underwear. That's really gross, man. You should probably really get those washed, and not just sleep, eat, and trade like that guy on the infomercials I always see on YouTube. Of course, not on my videos because they're occupied with scammer ads asking you to send them Ethereum and Bitcoin to receive double back. Spoiler alert, you're not going to get it back. You should use Barter Trade instead, which offers users the following key features. Algo trading. The team uses an algorithm partnered with Flourishing Capital for one of the first of its kind algo trading bots built into the exchange. From the bot owner's Flourishing Capital, the bot currently works with Bittrex, while both Binance and Barter Trade are coming soon. Flourishing Capital notes that their bot will be integrated into the dashboard on Barter Trade with special features and tighter integration, according to Telegram. Next, social trading. If that's not enough, you can also follow someone's trades using the site's social trading feature. So you can go from noob trader to crypto kung fu master like myself. Just don't ask me to multitask while you're sending cryptocurrency. If you're unaware, I lost thousands of dollars worth of crypto the other day. Just click the video up here to find out how I did it. It's shocking. Could be worth $300,000. But only click there after you finish this video. All right, they also have Battlegrounds. If social trading and algo trading wasn't enough, there's also a third feature called Battlegrounds. It's essentially trading gamified. It allows traders to participate and trade against each other to win amazing prizes like autographed pictures of me. Barter Trade will organize tournaments for traders, and this isn't a first as trading tournaments are frequently ran on KuCoin and other exchanges. However, this is a feature they will constantly have integrated, so pretty cool nonetheless. Here's a view of the Battlegrounds section of the site, and I'll say it looks awesome. It's sleek and sexy, like your mother. Burn! Oh, you didn't expect that one, did you? Got him! They also have SAF, the Smart Assets Fund. Barter Trade uses a smart, transparent, performance-based tokenized fund called SAF, or Smart Assets Funds. This is created and managed by traders. The fund can also be bought and sold by investors anytime. This fund is for people who don't have the time or skills to manage their own portfolio, according to the Barter Trade Twitter account. Finally, the last key feature the Barter Trade offers is called the Pi algorithm. Don't get that confused with the Pi cryptocurrency I just did a review on, or the pie that you eat, or DeFi Pi. You should never watch crypto videos on a hungry stomach, though. Bad things can happen, and you might invest in coins because of just mentions of food. Just don't do it. Hold on, I have to eat this slice of pie real quick. I made myself hungry. Pi's algorithm has nothing to do with coconut custard or lemon meringue. Actually, those both sound gross. It's actually Barter Trade's way to allow traders to trade in a more time-efficient manner and to clearly define their risk using an advanced and new trading feature. Why they named it Pi is beyond me. I prefer pecan, by the way. As I say, pecan. The white paper describes Pi as follows. Pi is an advanced market order for cryptocurrency traders which provides a solution for various unavoidable situations. The Pi algorithm will allow users to place sell orders for their pending buy orders. Traditionally, it is impossible to place the sell order unless your buy order has been executed and the trade asset has been credited to your wallet balance. But the Pi algorithm, aside from being tasty, solves this problem by allowing users to place simultaneous buy and sell orders for a particular trade. Barter Trade also plans to offer P2P lending in their platform, and then going above and incorporating ideas from many other popular DeFi or crypto financial niches, like they incorporate a crypto brokerage feature similarly to what we've seen with Membrana, another project we covered on the channel that has big potential. There's also key reasons why you would want to use this platform. It has a hassle-free trading experience. All you got to do is click follow and start trading. You can also follow the most successful and profitable master traders from the leaderboard. You can also choose the best trader for you based on a number of metrics mentioned above. You can cancel your subscription at any point. Follow people that really trade instead of people that just say that they do. So what about the team? Who's behind Barter Trade? The team is solid. CEO Anurag Yadav is a blockchain industry veteran and a Stanford University graduate who may have just had his name butchered. Co-founder Milan Shukri is also a marketing manager at Zilliqa. You can find it on Binance, of course, with the ticker ZIL. Chief Marketing Advisor Garland Wan was the former marketing lead at Harmony.one and is also the marketing advisor for the latest Binance IEO, The Sandbox. Maybe we should get a shovel and start playing. There's also a plethora of partnerships. Since it's an exchange, they're listing several of the projects I've discussed on this channel. But I'll mention one specifically, Lock, which I recently made a video on, is one of the coins that is going to be a partner who's going to seek to make Barter Trade the primary place to trade and access their token. So what about the tokenomics? I know you guys love talking tokenomics, right? The total supply is 240 million BART. The funding supply is 67 million, or 67.2 million exactly. The market cap at the public sale was 1.6 million. Now, there's a lot of room for this one to grow, and I know this is going to sound disingenuous because it's sponsored, yada, 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 but this really could be the next big exchange. I've been talking to people about this, and a lot of projects are really bullish on this exchange. I usually don't discuss token sales even on this channel. In fact, try to avoid them because the risk there is too high, not only to get scammed, but to get wrecked. But I'm pretty confident in this one, and this is a huge opportunity. Of course, DYOR, and come to your own conclusion. We got until August 14th, so do it fast. This one might sell out like hotcakes since the pre-sale sold out in just 1 hour and 33 minutes. But now it's your turn. What do you think about barter trade? Do you think it's the next big thing or just a niche little exchange? Let me know down below in the comment section. Also, don't forget to go to 1btc.bitboy.live to enter our Bitcoin giveaway. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.